So we're talking today about IT asset management, and I've got with me Tim Nafziger from Lansweeper. Tim, good to chat with you today.
Hey, Christian, nice to meet you and good to chat with you too.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, so let's get right into it. I know you've got a lot of years of IT and security experience under your belt. What are you finding have been the biggest challenges for IT folks?
That's a great question. I've been sitting in IT for about over 25 years, and from anywhere from the sysadmin to the security position, networking, engineering, a lot of those titles. And I honestly feel one of the biggest challenges that I have experienced, that I think a lot of guys also experience, is that continual discovery, knowing exactly what's on your network. Is it supposed to be there? Which in the end ultimately impacts access controls and other security things with vulnerabilities and risks and everything else that's going on there. I think that continual "what do you know" is on your network is the to me one of the biggest challenges, especially associated with Lansweeper.
Awesome. So, Tim, for Lansweeper specifically, in the context of that IT asset management picture, how does it save IT professionals time, reduce their stress, and help them become more productive?
Yes, that's a great question. So I love this question because I I started working at Lansweeper not just because it was a job. I actually got into Lansweeper because I really enjoy the product and what it does and the quality of the results. So there's a couple things that Lansweeper can do through the discovery process. It helps our customers know exactly what's on their network, helps them to be able to hopefully be at peace at mind of knowing what's there. Through the different tools that we've been building, you also have their risk assessments. And so we have the vulnerability section that actually talks about the vulnerabilities, helps our customers to know what the vulnerabilities are there. And with the built-in integrations, you can take that information, put it into other maybe automation tools or different SOAR tools or tools you may have, and automatically fix and remediate a lot of those vulnerabilities that could be there. This goes into the ticketing system. Another way, any way that Lansweeper can be integrated into their platforms to help make their jobs easier, so they can actually do more with maybe not having to do everything by touching all the different assets. Those are just a couple ideas.
So specifically, Tim, of making an IT person's job easier, how does Lansweeper help with IT asset discovery and then creating that comprehensive asset inventory at the end of the day?
Yes. So what Lansweeper is doing is scanning and looking at the entire network of your environment. So we're looking at not just IT asset management. So we're looking also at OT, so operational technologies. We're talking about different components like SCADAs, the PLCs, if your customers are familiar with the different logical controllers, different control systems, things like that. And then you also have IoT, so camera systems, door locks, different things that may be on the network, including mobile phones, to be able to scan and see what's there. This gives them a much more comprehensive list of exactly what's going on. So the bottom line, when it comes down to, is they have that deep knowledge of the different, not just the hardware that's on their networks, but also the software versions, whatever happens to be sitting on those machines that we can actually get with either credential or credentialless types of scans. We can get that information out and provide them those tools, that information, to be able to use their tools to be able to continue doing their work, the everyday tasks they have to do.
Awesome, Tim. So if you're looking for the visibility that Lansweeper provides, what they say is the single source of truth for the assets on your
That's
network,
right.
send us a direct message and we'd love to chat with you.